Morning, my name is Fermin Buitrago Romero. I am going to comment the video I just saw the school system. It is a video recorded by Prince EA, a rap singer, in September in 2016. The first situation is Einstein said, everybody's a genius. I agree with him. But if you judge a fish but on its ability of climbing a tree, it will live its whole life thinking he is a stupid. It talks about the different educational ways and styles, different students' different students' learning styles. And I agree with him because all of us are very different and we have different forms of catching things. Second situation, school has been turning millions of people into robots. We are organizing mass processes, so it is very uncomfortable to think about this situation because every human being is different and they have to use different ways to catch things and to learn. Third thing, he made some comparisons about the classrooms yesterday and today. And I think that it is not a very good way to try to establish adjustment about education, because it is not only the place in where we teach, but the relation between student and teacher, curriculum and teacher, and the other elements of the curricula that we need to take into account to make this kind of judgment. So I don't agree with him in this at this point. In literacy over a century, nothing has changed. It is false, because education and pedagogy and didactics has been developing so much the last decades. The world has progressed, and now we need people who think creatively, innovatively, critically, interdependently, with the ability to connect. Those are the most important parts of the teaching learning process nowadays. Those are the most important skills and competences. So I agree with him at this point, because it is very important to try to get people doing these kind of things the best they can. This educational malpractice, where one teacher stands in front of 20 children, each one having different strengths, something like that. I think that it is real that nowadays we still have schools very similar to prisons and enterprises because of the uniform and these things. So I agree at this point. Thank you. As the singer, I don't have so much faith about school, but I have faith about people, and I think that it is important to take into account what they have to say. The last part of the song talks about some patterns or some models of education. It talks about Finland and Montessori methods, so I think it is a very important thing to take into account. But we don't have to forget that we have many more examples about it.